In this video, I am sharing simple tips for decorating your Christmas tree using ribbon, picks, and ornaments to create a full and elegant looking tree. When you're decorating for Christmas, the first step is to have a really good tree as a base for your decorations. So if you are looking for a high quality tree that is going to last for years and years to come, take a look at King of Christmas. The tree that I chose is a 7-foot flocked Prince tree that is pre-lit with warm LED lights. There are a ton of options on this site to fit your style. You can choose your size, with or without lights, with or without flocking, and all kinds of different fullness and widths of trees. There's just a ton of options. So pick the one that's going to suit your home and your space. Setting up of a King of Christmas tree is really easy. It comes in 3 pieces and it comes with a tree stand. So I'm going to put the tree stand in the corner and then just slot the 3 sections inside of one another. Now I'm opting to put a tree collar around the bottom of the tree stand. You could also use a skirt. It's really a personal preference. I really like a collar because it gives a really clean look to the bottom, and I can put a ton of presents around it when it comes time. Probably the most important step to getting a full looking tree is to fluff it. Now, King of Christmas is going to send you these cool looking gloves that go all the way up your arms, and you want to wear them because you want to use them. This is going to prevent getting scratches on your arms. So you want to go through your tree and separate and fluff every single branch. So pick a starting point and work your way around. Now, because this is a flocked tree, it might be a little messy, but we can always vacuum that up later. If you skip this part, no matter what you put on your tree, it's going to look a little bit dull. Once it's all fluffed, I need to pick a color scheme, and I like to be budget conscious here and kind of use something similar every year. So I always have a really good stock of silver and gold metallic ornaments. And then if I want to change something from year to year, I could maybe add in some red or some purple or some multicolors, but having that stock of silver and gold is a great background. So we're just going to do silver and gold on this tree. The first thing I'm going to add to this tree are picks. These are silverberry picks from King of Christmas. They're really long, they're nice and sturdy, and they all bend. So you can get picks from King of Christmas or you can get them at a craft store. I will say that the ones from King of Christmas are better quality. They're going to hold up year to year a little bit better. So I'm choosing to add these all up and down my tree, and then I'm going to put a cluster kind of toward the top. This is going to be in place of a tree topper. Next up is adding maybe 6 to 12 of these really big ornaments. I like to take these and put them deep into my tree where there are gaps. This is going to create a fullness from within, and when you look at the tree, you're going to see that color from no matter what direction you're looking at it from. These ornaments can be kind of expensive, but you don't need many. Especially since my tree's in a corner like this, I don't have to decorate the back, just the parts that are seen. Now let's add some ribbon. This is wired ribbon. It's about 2.5 inches wide. And I'm choosing a couple of coordinating colors. I have this really pretty gold snowflake, and then I have another gold with some trim on the edge. Now this gold I have used for many, many years. You don't have to get rid of it, just roll it back up. And the snowflake one is brand new because I wanted to add something different to my tree this year. Start by cutting a length of ribbon about 3 feet, maybe a little bit longer. And on the very top of the tree, we're going to tuck one end in, then create a loop and tuck another portion of the ribbon in. This is going to create loops all the way down the tree. And now I'm just going to repeat this step with more sections of ribbon, kind of alternating the styles. You could do this with one style of ribbon or 2 or 3, however many you want, all around the tree. Just like the picks, the ribbon adds some depth and some decoration to your tree, making it look really full. And this ribbon can definitely be used year after year. Save that cardboard roll and just roll it back up and put it away. You can reuse it again next year. The final step is to fill in your tree with all of your smaller ornaments. I still have the silver and gold theme going on, but lots of different styles, and I'm going to put these all on the outer branches. You can use your special family ornaments, the ones your kids have made, but hanging those on the outside and having the big ornaments deep on the inside is going to give you some depth and some fullness to your tree. This flocked pre-lit tree from King of Christmas just glows at night. I love the way the warm LED lights are kind of underneath the flocking. It has this great remote that comes with it with a bunch of different settings so they can flash or go on and off. And I have mine plugged into an outlet that's on a timer, so it comes on when the sun sets. There are some amazing deals on King of Christmas website right now, so if you want to get a new tree for this holiday season, go take a look. There's a link down in the description. If you like simple decorating tips and craft tutorials, consider subscribing. I am here with new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.